विचारों की शीतल धारा, शांति सुरमय वाटिका का एहसास, शांति मुख का सुवास, शांति मानवता की मानव से डरे, शांति विश्व की अरुणिमा करे जो मन को विभोर। ऐसे शांति का उत्सव मनाएं आज इस सभा में, विश्व शांति के लिए दुआ में अपने हाथ उठाएं।
शीलवंत सबसे बड़ा, सब रत्नन की खान, तीन लोक की संपदा रहे शील में आन। अर्थात शांत और धैर्यता सबसे बड़ा गुण है। ये दुनिया के सभी रत्नों से महंगा रत्न है। जिसके पास भी धैर्य है, उसके पास मानो तीनों लोकों की संपत्ति है। श्री के इस सुंदर प्रांगण में, जहाँ चारों ओर हम सुख और शांति बनाने का प्रयास करते हैं, मैं अदान्या इस प्रांगण में आप सभी का सहृदय स्वागत करती हूँ।
Namaste. We at the Sri Ram Millennium School, Noida, welcome you to this special assembly where we commemorate the International Peace Day celebrated all over the world on the 21st of September. The 2021 theme of the United Nations for the International Day of Peace is Recovering Better for an Equitable and Sustainable World. It tells us that we need to make peace with nature. Every day, from all over the world, we see instances of the effects of our actions on the environment. But what is peace? Peace is happiness at rest. Happiness is peace in motion. In today's conflicted times, the importance of peace and happiness within ourselves and around us is paramount. If we dwell on it, both go hand in hand. Eating your favorite ice cream, spending time with family gives us joy, and all this happiness ultimately leads to a peaceful and contented self. Music transcends all boundaries of caste, color, creed, nationality, and religion. It speaks its own language of peace and harmony. If music be the food of love and peace, they
Uthrama, we request you to please address the gathering.
Namaste, Namaste bachon. What a fantastic day to celebrate, the International Day for Peace. I think it's very, very important that we celebrate peace, we celebrate kindness, we celebrate the goodness in the world. Because when we celebrate these things, I firmly believe what we celebrate increases. So children, today as you reflect, as you think, as you look at how to make the world a more peaceful place, I would urge you to first look within yourself, find peace within you. If you are peaceful here, definitely you make the world around you more peaceful. So look for that, connect with that, make friends with yourself and with the peace that lies within you. And definitely, children, you have the power to change the world. So go out there and make a difference. Spread love, kindness, peace. These are all values that are all combined together. Because peace only comes about when there is love, when there is kindness, and there is goodness. So let's celebrate this day with full joy, with full happiness, and with a lot of peace in our hearts. God bless you, children. May you have a very, very nice day and a wonderful, peaceful time ahead. All my blessings. Namaste.
zephyr blow. Peace is hearing the Asian choir sing. Peace is witnessing a splendid sunset. Peace is sprinkling kindness like confetti. Peace is living in the now, the present moment. There is peace in dreaming about one world. There is peace in traveling the globe. Peace is not out there. Peace begins with me.
I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river, I've got peace like a river in my soul.
तरह मानव से। पर वो आए कैसे सबके घर? करना बस सिर्फ इतना है, जो जहां बसे बस उस जगह को ढूंढना है। हृदय में रखो समता का भाव, सब में देखो बंधुत्व का भाव। यही सार है शांति का। बढ़ते चलो, सहारा बनो हर प्राणी का। करो शांतिमय विश्व का निर्माण।
Let's begin that peace forever. All the people, all the races. Let's begin spread love together. Peace and righteousness, better places. This is the heart के लिए, this is the मन के लिए, this is the heart के लिए, this is the मन के लिए. आओ सजदा करें हम अमन के लिए.
Music, they say, knows no boundaries, loved and appreciated across countries. It simply speaks to the heart, creating a symphony like Mozart. A dance recital has no barriers, no language or words required as carriers. It can be understood by one and all. Age or gender is no bar at all. No matter your caste, color, or creed, music and dance rouse emotions indeed. It can inspire a prayer for peace, make the world's turmoil cease, awaken our sense of interconnectivity, invoking a sense of pride and dignity.
तकिटा धिमता तकिटा धिमता तकिटा धिमता है सबसे जाके मिलता और कहता मिलके धिमता कधिमितान तकिटा धिमता है सबसे जाके मिलता और कहता मिलके धिमता कधिमितान तकिटा दिक्षण धाम तक धिमिताम तक धिमिताम तक धिमिता तकिटा तकिटा तकधिमितान तकिटा धिमता सबसे जाके मिलता और कहता मिलके धिमता कधिमिता तकिटा धूम तकिटा तक धिमिता धूम तकिटा तक धिमिता धूम तकिटा तक धिमिता तकिटा धिमता तकिटा धिमता तकिटा धिमता कधिमितान तकिटा धिमता सबसे मिलता और कहता मिलके धिमता कधिमिता
When wars and conflicts totally cease, in our world there shall be peace. People must learn to get along, not blame others for being wrong. We fight for control, we fight for land. Some just need a helping hand. We should rid ourselves of vanity and embrace peace through humanity. So let's make this world a better place for you and for me and the entire human race.
Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Sing peace around the world. 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 Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true.
A messenger of peace in our times, His Holiness the Dalai Lama has said, "Children, today are our hope for a better tomorrow." The survival of humanity depends on educating the hearts of children. The new norm of this century is peace. He says, and children of this generation are the key figures who are capable of creating a better world, one that is peaceful. When we are young, we see no difference between those around us and ourselves. We care for everyone as we would care for ourselves. All that is needed is to not forget the sense of compassion as we grow older, but to nurture the hearts of children at home and in school.
Namaste. A very good morning to all of you. I, Ramneek Kaur Panesar, wish you all a very meaningful and inspiring International Peace Day. I am so delighted and grateful that so many of us have gathered here to celebrate the International Peace Day. Peace and harmony lead to inner satisfaction and spiritual life. We should value peace more and take a proactive role in spreading peace and protecting peace whenever it is questioned in any manner. It reminds us that conflicts can only be solved in a sustainable manner if we address the root causes and be more compassionate and understanding. Our school has always taught us to be kind and thoughtful because small acts can lead to big impacts. The core values of our school have always inspired me to have a we and our mindset rather than a me and mine approach. It is very important for each and every Shri Ansh to be sensitive to the environment, to the community, and to different cultures. Last but not the least, we need to maintain our integrity in all activities, systems, and processes. In the end, I would like to say that peace begins with a smile. So let us all resolve to show humility and be more empathetic on this journey of peace, so that our homes and neighborhoods, our school and our country also radiate peace. Thank you so much.
शांति एक प्यारा सा एहसास है जो पूरे विश्व में अहिंसा स्थापित करने का माध्यम है। इसके लिए भाईचारे की भावना जरूरी है। आओ चलो सब मिलकर शांतिमय विश्व की कामना करें। आपका और हमारा साथ ऐसा ही बने रहेगा। और अब मेरा आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि इस सभा के समापन से पहले हम सभी राष्ट्रीय गान के लिए अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाए।